Today, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Loop template. If you find yourself rebuilding the same kind of page over and over again, templates can save you a lot of time and keep things consistent for you and your team. In this walkthrough, we'll take a simple Loop page that you already like and turn it into a reusable template you can pull up anytime. First, start by opening Microsoft Loop and navigating to a page you want to reuse. This should be a page that's already set up the way you like. Maybe it has the right sections, headings, checklists, or tables, and it's something you know you'll want to repeat in the future, like a weekly meeting agenda, a project tracker, or a planning canvas. It's important that you open the actual page, not just the workspace or the list of pages, because the template will be created from the content and layout of that specific page. Once that page is open, look towards the page menu at the top of the screen. So on the right-hand side, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. And this might be small, so take a moment to hover your mouse near the page title or along the top bar until you spot those 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to open the options menu for that page. This menu controls actions that apply to the entire page rather than just individual components. Here you'll see several options related to managing or sharing the page, but for creating a template, you're looking for one specific option. From this menu, select Save as Template. This is the command that tells Loop to take everything currently on your page, its structure, sections, and content layout, and prepare it as a reusable pattern. You don't need to change the page itself before doing this. Just make sure it's set up the way you generally want future pages to look. After you choose Save as Template, a prompt will appear asking you to name your new template. This is an important step. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for so that you and anyone else in your workspace can easily recognize it later. For example, weekly stand-up meeting, project kickoff plan, or content brainstorming board are all more helpful than something vague like template 1. If your organization uses a lot of Loop pages, adding a short descriptive label or following a naming pattern can make templates easier to find. Take a moment to think about how you'll use this template in the future and name it in a way that will still make sense months from now. Once you've entered a clear descriptive name, confirm and save the template. At this point, Loop stores it so you can use it again whenever you need to create a similar page. The original page you started from stays exactly the same. You've simply turned its structure into a reusable blueprint. From now on, instead of rebuilding those pages from scratch, you can create a new Loop page based on the template you just saved, keeping your projects consistent and speeding up your workflow.